Good morning, foodies. So today I'm going to share with you a recipe that my mum used to make, and basically you're going to need 2 boiled eggs and some cheese on toast, some salt and pepper, and basically that is it. So lightly toast your bread and put your cheese on and ready to go into the grill. Well, before doing that, put your eggs on to boil. Make sure that they're boiled and not soft for this recipe. It's a bit like playing Jenga, putting your cheese on your toast, isn't it? But it's fun. You want it on the toast and not on the grill, which is the hardest part. Anyway, we have the boiled eggs boiling away nicely, and the cheese on toast is ready to go into the grill. We're just going to add some pepper first. Obviously that's optional. And then prep your plate, add a little bit of salt into one corner of your plate. This is to dip your egg. And then the eggs, once you've peeled your eggs, cheese on toast, just cut the sides so you can fold it in half. Easier when you've got both hands free. And then dip your egg into the salt and take a bite of your egg and then a bite of your cheese on toast and chew that together. It may sound like an odd combination, but it is absolutely yummy and makes a great breakfast or lunch or snack. Enjoy!